Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am continuing from where I left in the last video. We are back on the boat and are heading for the flooded forest. That's our captain, a smart Cambodian lady. She is not just the captain of the boat, but she is also the chief engineer. As the engine develops some technical snag, she is now repairing it. That's the ignition switch. I have observed one thing in all these Southeast Asian countries, that the women folk plays an important role in the earnings of the family. In fact, they are more hardworking than the men, as they are often the sole breadwinner of the family. That was a fast job. She is now putting back all the covers and we are ready to sail on. We are now heading for the flooded mangrove forest that sits between the Kampong Phluk Stilt village and the Tonle Sap lake. Our next stop is a floating dock anchored at the edge of the flooded forest. Here we are transferred to a small paddle boat. These paddle boats can accommodate only a maximum of 2 people, apart from the oarsman. Each one of us have to pay $5 for this paddle boat tour. Maria and I were put on the same paddle boat. I hope a major part of the money we pay trickles down to the local community. These are some kind of a fishing accessory. These women sell fruits and snacks to tourists. There are a number of flooded mangrove forests on the edges of Tonle Sap, but this one at Kampong Phluk is the largest. This flooded forest is a brilliant experience where one can float on a small wooden boat through a world of tree trunks and branches. Birds, frogs, rats, spiders, and even snakes can be seen if you look carefully enough. And sailing through the tops of trees is quite serene. The ecological dynamics of this ecoregion are centered around the hydrological links between Tonle Sap and Mekong River. During the wet season, the water in the Mekong backs up into Tonle Sap, inundating the floodplains with 4 to 6 meters of water for over 8 months. These wetlands and swamp forests then provide some of the most important bird habitats in the region, especially for the huge numbers of gregarious water birds such as storks, pelicans, ibises, and cormorants. The vegetation comprises of two forest associations, the swamp shrublands that cover most of the ecoregion and the stunted swamp forest around the lake itself. Some mammals of conservation significance have been found here, such as pileated gibbon, wild dog, sun bear, clouded leopard, common leopard, banthang, smooth-coated otter, and hairy-nosed otter. But almost all of these species populations have been depleted due to hunting. The tiger is believed to be now extirpated, and Asian elephants that used to undertake seasonal migrations to the lake region no longer come here. The canoe ride passing through mangrove trees around Kampong Phu was certainly an enjoyable and memorable experience. We are now back on the motorized boat. On the way, we will travel sometime through the Tonle Sap to feel the vastness of the lake before heading back to the hotel. We are now on the Tonle Sap Lake. During the rainy season, the lake's width increases from 35 kilometers to 105 kilometers, while the depth increases from less than 1 meter up to 7 to 9 meters. At low, water is little more than a reef-infested swamp with channels for fishing craft. The Tonle Sap ecosystem is believed to be one of the most productive inland waters and one of the most fish abundant lakes in the world. I hope you enjoyed traveling with me through this video. See you too soon with another interesting video.